We don't want to keep you any longer in suspense, and we are coming out with the release of the BMW's benchmark M1000RR 2023 with plenty brilliant new parts developed, and not new developed is this young charming boy guy next to me, Julius, our expert, who has a lot of information.
Greetings also from me. Daniel already mentioned it. We have a complete new benchmark, and as you know, the bike has, I would say, a lot of carbon X-works. You know, you buy the new bike and there is a complete full carbon fairing on the bike already. And now the question arises, of course, what else in carbon would you like, or could you even put on the bike? And we say really a lot, and what all in detail we show you now. Enjoy the video.
We're starting, as usual, in the front with this front fender mudguard and the wheel covers. Yeah, two parts what are already explained in the separate videos. We have two videos about these two parts where we show you exactly how to assemble it on the bike, which benefits you have. But just like in 3 words, I always call it 3-in-1. You have this large front fender and the air ducts implemented already inside, so also for the brake cooling, and this could be also really used on the street as well as on the racetrack. Going further up a little bit, we have this huge wild shoulders of this M1000RR, the winglets. You know, we talked about downforces also in our M1000RR racing video, where we explain exactly what's all about these winglets and are they useful or aren't they useful. So I think this is a good video also to watch if you didn't do it until now. What is really brand new right now is this air channel. What comes originally in is a plastic part. We designed it completely new. If you look at it in detail right now in the video, you see how close and fine it's really adjusted to the complete fairing. Going from the air duct to the upper tank cover, what we have here in the middle. So this is the middle part, and this middle part comes also with the side panels from to the left and the right side. These side panels I already explained in the S1000RR video. We have in 2 versions. We have it in this like full-filled version where it stands in carbon like it, but you also can choose it in like a semi version where you just have this carbon above here in this part of the bike, and you just assemble the plastic part what comes originally from the M1000RR to put it here.
Yeah, now I would say we come really to a few killer parts, and we start up here in the rear. And as you see, it's a lot more carbon than there could be possibly in original. This leads us to the monoposto. This one you know already from the original, but the difference is we don't have any rubber here in the middle. We have a complete carbon part, which is not only looking great, but also much lighter than the original, I would say. Below it, there we come really to big news. You see here is carbon and also here is carbon. We have the middle part and the seat, the under tray of the seat. So together with this part and also with the number plate holder, we can get a complete rear in carbon for the bike, which really completes the bike up here in the end. Important to notice, here we have the monoposto, but of course for all who have the Socia package, the B-posto version, of course there we have also the according part. This we showed already on the S1000RR 2023 video. If we go a little bit more to the lower side of the bike, of course in the rear we have the rear fender. This you know already, it's one piece, nothing special to mention here. Now we come to the frame and the swing arms cover. Both are, as you know them already, protecting you from the heat, so also their additional function, I would say, added to the bike and really, I would say, fulfills the bike here. And now we come to the, what I would say, best part of the bike. Of course, also for the MRR 2023, we have the belly pan. And the special thing here is the original parts we see here. You know, the side fairings go down and connect in the middle. And there we attach now the belly pan, which is connected here, and then goes complete to the rear, covering the whole exhaust system here and giving you a distinct look. And I would say it really makes the bike complete, because you know we have a complete fairing bike, we have a racing bike, super sports bike, and no super sports bike without a belly pan, I would say. So as you can see, we have really a lot of parts, and as you see, I would say it's looking even better than original and is also lighter. So this was it from our side. If you liked the video, just give it a thumb up, follow us on our channels, and for sure We have now a few great pictures on the bike, rolling on the street. I hope you enjoy them and I hope to see you next time. See you soon.
Bye-bye.